Ljubljana Jože Pučnik Airport is Slovenia's main international airport and accounts for 97% of total air traffic in the country. Aerodrom Ljubljana is also an important stakeholder in the broader logistics services chain in the Alpe-Adria region. The location of the airport is ideal for developing air connections and airline industry activities, as it is situated at the crossroads of traffic flows between the Pannonian Basin and the Po Valley, and the corridor from the Middle East to the European Union running through the Istanbul Strait. The airport is managed by Aerodrom Ljubljana, an environmentally and socially responsible company with over 50 years of tradition, and has been under the ownership of the German company Fraport since 2014. Aerodrom Ljubljana's history is characterized by continuous development and progress, and by improvements made to services and air traffic safety. Passenger numbers and cargo tonnage passing through Ljubljana Airport continue to rise, and these positive trends in traffic have been reflected in the company's improved performance. The company's core activities include airport management, including responsibility for aircraft takeoffs and landings, as well as the use of infrastructure and the passenger terminal. The provision of ground handling services for aircraft, passengers and cargo. Marketing activities for passenger and cargo traffic. And miscellaneous commercial services such as retail, catering and other services, car parks for travellers and airport visitors, the leasing of advertising space and commercial premises, and warehousing and logistics services. Ljubljana Jože Pučnik Airport is one of the best technologically equipped airports in the region. There are over 4 million inhabitants in the airport's catchment area, which covers a radius of a 2-hour drive from the airport, including border regions with Austria, Italy and Croatia. The airport has tremendous development potential in terms of its core activity, infrastructure and multimodal transportation.